Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation by the brilliant mind from Excel Public School. I'm Gagan and I'm here with my incredible team to introduce you to a project that aims to make an escalator more inclusive. But first, let us meet the brains behind the innovation. I'm joined by Chinmay and Dhanvanth. Together we have been working tirelessly to address the significant issues in our community.
Our problem statement is creating innovative transportation and infrastructure solutions that are inclusive and accessible for people with disabilities, ensuring equal access to mobility options and enhancing the overall urban experience for everyone. The issue we hope to solve is visually impaired people find it hard to attain the precision required to board escalators. Hence, by creating a blind cane to stop escalators, it would benefit them to a great extent.
So, why did we choose to embark on this journey? We observed a pressing problem in our community, the lack of inclusive and accessible escalators for visually impaired people. We wanted to make a positive impact by ensuring equal access to mobility, enhancing the urban experience for everyone.
We work to create a smart cane that not only works regularly, detecting objects on and above the ground, but it also helps in stopping escalators to allow the blind people to board it.
Our very own smart cane. This is not just a solution, it's a step towards more inclusive and connective society.
Our product has 5 main components: a regular blind cane, an ultrasonic sensor, an Arduino Uno, and an FS1000A transmitter. The ultrasonic sensor is used to detect obstacles above the ground, while the regular stick finds obstacles on the ground. The Arduino Uno is the brains of the product, and the FS1000A transmitter is used to help the escalator stop when they want to by pressing the button.
We visited a blind school in Tilak Nagar. There we interviewed 19 people, and with our insights, our project should do quite well.
Behind every successful project is a team with unique talents. I handled the design and the circuitry. Gagan and Dhanvanth took charge of the research document, and we all, with the help of our mentor, created the model. It has truly been a collaborative effort.
In our conclusion, our mission is clear: creating innovative infrastructure solutions that are inclusive and accessible for everyone. We would like to thank our mentor and everyone who has helped us in this journey. Together, we can build a more connected and accessible world for all. Thank you.